Welcome to my channel and welcome to this new tutorial video. My name is Omar Butt, and in this video I'm going to explain that how you can turn any design into a realistic photo frame mockup and within few minutes. So you can see I have opened two images here, like the one image of this photo frame mockup and the second image like this family image that I want to put here. I want to turn this design into a realistic photo frame mockup. So the first thing, like Control A, open this the image, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, and now just move to this tab, and here you can create a rectangle. Like you can select this tool, rectangle tool, and create a rectangle, and color if you want you can apply red, and you can right click on the layer and you can convert this layer to smart object, and this layer, opacity of this layer you can decrease, for instance, to 65%. Okay, now you can select this move tool and click Ctrl plus T for the transform, so the transform will active. Now you can right click here and you can select distort, and from each anchor point, like top right, top left, bottom right and bottom left, you can set this rectangle according to the dimension of your photo frame. For example, now you can see I have set something like this. And the next thing, like once you have done, you can press enter, and now you can double click on this layer. Double click here and it will open a new tab, because if you double click here it will open blending option, it will rename, or if you double click here it will open blending options, layer style, but you can click here because we converted it to the smart object. So double click here. Now here, as in the start of video we selected this image and we copied it, so it's already copied. I will just press Ctrl plus V here to paste the picture, and now we can zoom out, for example Control minus and Control T for the transform control, and just by press and hold Alt key I will change the proportionally size. Press and hold Alt key if this is enabled, so I will set it according to my requirements, and once it is set, press enter. Now don't forget to save it, so Control plus S to save. And now once you open the image here, and you can see incredibly it has been turned into a realistic photo frame. Now you can select the layer and we just decrease the opacity. Now we will increase it to 100%, and you can see the mode of this layer we can also change it to, for example, multiply. Okay, it looks better. Now see how magically we have turned this image into we have turned this design into a realistic photo frame mockup. You can see it looks amazing. So like this you can turn your design into a realistic photo frame mockups. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please share the video with your friends, with your colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.